caption. Oh, it's lovely to be here with you all again. I hope you've had a good few weeks and a lovely half-term holiday in the sunshine. We're going to get busy and do some phonics this morning. We're going to play a phonics game called Silly Soup. You know that it's one of my favourites. I love eating that tasty silly soup. But before we start, let's practice and see how many of those speed sounds that you can remember. Here we go. I'm going to put them up on the screen today, just like we would if we were in school. Here we go. Okay, we're going to have a go at the speed car racing game. Now, I'm going to have to pick the colour for the car today. I think I'm going to pick purple. And I'm going to have checks on the car. And I would like to pick, the grassy racetrack today. Are you ready? Let's see how quickly we can remember all of our sounds. Here we go. You say them first and I'll say them after. B. N. Air. It's a trigraph. H. K. O. E. E. Sh. E. L. O. S. A. U. F. G. A. Z. Qua. Z. Ch. I. K. U. O. I. A. P. D. X. M. J. T. Ng. Ooh, well done everyone. Let's see how quickly we managed to do it. Can anyone tell me what the time was that we did that in today? There's a 1 here, so that means 1 minute. And then there's a 3 and a 4. When the 3 and the 4 stand next to each other, it's a 2-digit number. Does anyone know what it is? It's 34. It took us 1 minute and 34 seconds. That's pretty good. Well done, everyone. Perhaps we could try it again another week and see if we can beat our time. Well done, everybody. Okay. Right, so let's have a go at our silly soup game. Now, you know how much I love rhyming words. So, I've got my mixing bowl. I've got my spoon already. All I need now is to find a word. And this is the first word I'm going to use today. Here it is. It's at, hat. The word is hat. I'm going to put it into our silly soup. Here it goes. I'm making lots of silly soup. I'm making soup that's silly. I'm going to cook it in the fridge to make it nice and chilly. In goes a hat. Can you think of a word that rhymes with hat? Hat. I've got one. Cat. Hat. Cat. Can you sound out cat for me using your Freddy fingers? Thanks. Okay, shout out the sounds. Cat. K. Cat. K. At. Cat. Cat. Oh, thanks everyone. So now I've got a hat and a cat. Can you think of another word that rhymes with hat? Cat, hat, cat. Sat. We could have sat. Hat, cat, sat. Okay, sound sat out on your Freddy fingers. Help me out, boys and girls. Sat. 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 Is that right? Sat. Sat. Everyone. So now I can make my silly soup. Are you ready? I'm making lots of silly soup. I'm making soup that's silly. I'm going to cook it in the fridge to make it nice and chilly. In goes a hat, a cat, and sat. Shall I eat it? I'm going to eat it. Delicious. Should we do another one? Okay. This time I want to use a word that's got a digraph in it. So I'm going to use the word sheep. 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 Can you think of a word that rhymes with sheep? Sheep. Sheep. Got one. Keep. I want to keep my toys. Keep. Can you sound it out for me, please? Keep. 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 Thanks, everyone. I've seen this word before, so I know that it's a kicking K. A K. E. Thanks, everyone. It's got the E digraph. E. Eep. Keep. So I've got sheep and keep. Can you think of any more words that rhyme with keep, sheep? I've got one. I'll give you a clue. I'm taking a peep. I'm peeping at you. I'm going to peep. Can you sound that word out for me? Peep. Eep. Peep. Thanks, everyone. E. It's got the E digraph. Oh, it's very tricky to write in the air. Peep. Eep. Peep. Okay, I can make my silly soup now. Here we go. I'm making lots of silly soup. I'm making soup that's silly. I'm going to cook it in the fridge to make it nice and chilly. In goes some sheep. In goes keep. And in goes peep. Shall I eat it? Here we go. Delicious. Why don't you have a go at playing silly soup at home? Get yourself a mixing bowl, a spoon, and some little pieces of paper. I just cut up some little pieces of cards that I had lying around at home that I could use to write my words on. I'd love to see what you get up to on Tapestry, boys and girls. It was great to play a game with you this morning. See you again soon. Bye.